Mastering irregular verbs in the present perfect tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore an exciting and essential aspect of English grammar. We're diving deep into irregular verbs in the present perfect tense. This tense is often a challenge for English learners due to the irregularity of some verbs. Don't worry, we're here to tackle it together. The present perfect tense is a tense used to describe actions that happened at an unspecified time before now, or when the time is not important. It can also be used to express actions that started in the past and continue to the present. The structure is quite simple. It's composed of the auxiliary verb, have, or has, plus the past participle form of the main verb. Remember, the past participle form of regular verbs is straightforward. It ends in ed. However, for irregular verbs, the past participle form changes, which brings us to our main topic today. Irregular verbs don't follow the standard rules for verb forms. They change in various ways, making them a little tricky to master. But don't fret. With practice, you'll get there. Let's look at some common examples of irregular verbs in the present perfect tense. 1. Go, past participle. Gone. I have gone to Spain twice this year. 2. See, past participle. Seen. He has seen that movie already. 3. Take, past participle. Taken. They have taken their exams. These are just a few examples. There are many irregular verbs, and each has its unique past participle form. To truly master the use of irregular verbs in the present perfect tense, practice is key. Here's an exercise for you. Transform the following sentences from simple past to present perfect. 1. I ate the pizza. 2. I have, blank, the pizza. 2. She ran to the store. 2. She has, blank, to the store. 3. They wrote a letter. 2. They have, blank, a letter. Fill in the blanks with the correct past participle form of the verb. The answers are eaten, run, and written, respectively. And there you have it. A quick dive into the world of irregular verbs in the present perfect tense. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. Continue to expose yourself to these verbs, and in time, they'll become second nature. Thank you for joining us on this grammar journey. Until our next adventure, keep practicing and stay curious.